Okay, team, it is coming up here on Sunday, coming up here to 7:30, guys, and holy crude. We talked about OPEC not agreeing to the supply cut with OPEC, and we talked about what happened last time with oil. With this happened, that oil fell down, and boy, did it fall again. So why did this happen? Because Saudi Arabia cut their prices to keep command of oil over Russia. Why did Russia do this? Because every time they cut production, US rises production, and oil is something that countries fight over. So as you can see, the oil wars back in session here. We can't go to the daily. We have to go to the monthly chart. And I want you guys to notice that we're right at this area. We talked about $33, 32. Guys, we could dip all the way back down to 26. We want to see $30 hold, 28.50, and then of course this 26.05 area. We'll be watching it close. Unreal. So I understand the reasoning why to keep their price market share, but I can't understand the timing. And natural gas, nasty pullback here as well. People are wondering why I haven't gone long natural gas yet, because it's not ready. Guys, one of the things that Mike always talks about, things can always go lower. We haven't had a nice reversal yet in natural gas. So we're pretty much at major support right here. Okay, this is the area we bounced off of in 2016. Are we going to bounce off of it again now? Or are we going to go lower? Same story with crude. On gold, would like to see if we can hold this gap up. Hold this area of resistance here, 1688, and push up and get over 1700 and hold it as a base. On any pullback, we want to see this area right here around 1668 where we took off from act as support. We might dip down, fill the gap, and take off. Let's go over to the daily chart. Okay, we're going to have to try to get up over 1700 and hold it. Should be really interesting to see what happens here with gold this week. Let's go to a technical chart so we can pull up a little bit further time period. Guys, this is when it's great to be a trader because of the volatility all around. If you want to trade gold, if you want to trade crude, the markets, this is why it's good to not be a one-trick pony and be able to trade everything. So you can see that we're coming up to 1700 resistance, and then we have some resistance at 1750. And then we have some spikes up here to 1800. Can we hold 1700, break and hold it, and push up to 1750? Now let's look at some of the news. I wanted to go over. Hold on one moment. And I do have. So I want you guys to write this down because this happened last time this happened. Last time Russia decided they would not cut oil prices. OPEC did the exact same thing. Saudi Arabia comes in. And we talked about this in chat, guys. We went over this for about 3 days, that this was coming up and what to expect, and to have all the different, scenarios play out just in case. So, guys, once again, where due diligence is paying off in the oil market. So, guys, I'm expecting another a really volatile week. We have some important economic data coming out this week. We have to keep our eyes on the Saudi Arabia and Russia oil situation. We also have to keep an eye on our oil situation to see if our inventories keep on rising. We could be looking at $25 crude here again. Can gold break 1700 and hold it? And can natural gas find a bottom? A lot of things to be watching this week, guys. I'm excited for this week. Let's kill it.